This video was recorded on the evening of Monday, October 18th, during a drive from my house in northeast Minneapolis to Target in Savage, Minnesota. This video includes a mix of city and freeway driving, a pass down the local obstacle course on Lincoln Street Northeast, and more. Well, without further ado, let's go for a drive. To follow the route, we first need to take a right turn on 36th Avenue Northeast, which will take us right to Johnson Street Northeast. As you can see, the car briefly pauses to check for traffic from the left before proceeding with the right turn. After driving down a mostly straight section of Johnson Street Northeast, it is now time to turn right before turning left onto the Lincoln Street Northeast obstacle course. To provide some background, road crew set up this obstacle course as a way to keep traffic from speeding down what is normally a quiet residential street while a section of Johnson Street Northeast was renovated. Before entering the obstacle course, I used the left scroll wheel to lower the autopilot maximum speed since the upcoming left turn occurs immediately after completion of the right turn. It is amazing what a difference reducing the speed makes. When properly following the posted obstacle course speed limit of 10 miles per hour, the car handles the entire obstacle course with ease. This is a big contrast from my first FSD Beta video, where the car struggled to even properly enter the obstacle course, let alone navigate it. At the very end of the obstacle course, we have a busy intersection where traffic is almost always constantly flowing from both the left and the right. There is also a road construction obstacle blocking the left lane, creating a choke point where oncoming cars have to sneak around cars like mine waiting to turn. As you can see, FSD Beta does an excellent job waiting for the turning car to proceed before moving forward to prepare for the left turn, just like a great human driver would. After properly merging onto I-35W South, we now have about 20 minutes of boring highway driving, which I will fast forward through now. With Highway 13 fast approaching, the car properly takes the exit and eventually merges onto Highway 13 West. To follow the programmed route, the car now takes the exit on the left for Highway 13 South. Again, the car does a great job of getting over, detecting the upcoming red light, and gradually slowing down, much like a good human driver would. With target in view, we will now take a left turn onto Egan Drive, which will lead us right into the target parking lot. I have to say I'm thoroughly impressed with how well FSD Beta performed on this drive, especially considering the length of the drive, as well as how there were 0 disengagements. It was really exciting being in the driver's seat, watching the car properly navigate the Lincoln Street Northeast obstacle course while appropriately yielding to oncoming traffic entering the various choke points. As soon as FSD Beta 10.3 drops, I will be taking another drive through the obstacle course and recording the results to see if any improvements are apparent between the versions. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will look for you on the next one.